Welcome to Insider Tips. In the last couple of Insider Tips, I talked about outsourcing. Today's tip are examples of commonly outsourced duties. Virtual assistants, marketing directors, graphic designers, transcriptionists, web designers, HR consultants, PR directors, IT specialists, customer support, accounting, tax preparation, manufacturing, data entry, research and development, legal services, creative services, healthcare services, building maintenance, supply and inventory, purchasing, food and cafeteria services, security, fleet services, video creation, and on and on and on. Where do I look to find outsourcing? Well, you want to make sure you find the right outsourcing partner. And the first place you should look is your own backyard, your neighborhood. Ask other business owners, your accountant, your banker, your lawyer, if they can recommend a provider offering the services you need. Using online platforms such as Twitter or LinkedIn make it easy to expand your personal networks and are places to look for recommendations. If that doesn't work for you, another option would be placing ads at work-at-home websites. For example, FlexJobs, The Home Worker, Upwork, Work-at-Home Mom Revolution, Rat Race Rebellion, Workers on Board, All Stay at Home, Freelance Mom. I'll put links to all these websites in the show notes. After you found a provider, your work isn't over yet. Ask for and check their reference, and then take the time to create a specific contract that outlines what performances is expected. Explain your expectations and the steps included in the job clearly. Never assume that contractors are thinking about what you're thinking. It's very important that the requirements and the expectations are laid out in the very beginning. Don't assume anything. Well, that's it for today's tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future Insider Tips. And make sure to check out and join the right group for you. You can subscribe at keystonehpd.com/insider-tips. And to find your best group option, visit keystonehpd.com/private-groups. Well, that's it for today's tip. Until next time, have a fun day.